All right. All right, hey guys, quick update on the wagon. I've been doing some sheet metal work in the back where I cut out the back seat and tubbing the wheel wells. All right, I'm going to show you what I'm doing over here. So I'm working on these wheel tubs. Again, because I don't have the right equipment to actually shape metal, I got to do it the creative way. We'll put it that way. So this is what I'm doing. You can see on the other side I already did that. Again, the metal that's on the car is old. It's thin, it's dirty. Trying to clean it up as much as I can, but it is what it is. It's still going to hold. It's going to be fine. I'll make it look pretty afterwards. Right now, it's just a structural thing, but I just wanted to show you kind of how I did the other side, and this is the way I did it. I cut a piece of sheet metal. It's like 18 gauge, about the width of the gap that I needed to fill. So about this width, a little bit. I made it a little bit bigger, and then I'm basically going from underneath, and I'm forming it along the edge of the inner fender well, and then the tub, the rest of the tub. This one I'm pretty close on one side. The side's tacked. The inside's the hardest because, or the side on against the C pillar and all that stuff over here in the back is the hardest because that's where there's the metal's the weirdest. But I want to show you underneath what I'm doing as well. So I'm doing this. I got a jack going on with some blocks and a tube and a thing that I'm putting up there so I can push the metal up against the curve, and then just tacking it as I go along. Now it gets a little tricky once you get to the part of the curve where I'm at right now. I gotta figure out how to do that. So once I do that, I'll be back and show you the results. So here's what it looks like. There we go. Right? Welds aren't, that great. I just have it mostly stitched in right now, but it's very difficult to weld on some of this really old metal, some of the original stuff. So there's some not so prettiness, but I'm going to paint it all. I don't know. I have it stitch welded now, pretty much fully stitch welded. I don't know if I'm going to leave it like that and just seam seal over that, or I might just bead everything. We'll see what happens, but we'll see how I feel about it in a couple of days when I come back to it. But anyway, I've got a couple little holes to fill, this guy, and a little bit more spot welding, but it's pretty much done. It's very sturdy. It's, looks pretty level, pretty even. I can fit some nice big tires under there. And it molds in with the back, flows with the tunnel, and then those are just pieces from the front that need to be installed, which I'll do another video and take some pictures of when it's all completely done. There's a couple of other little holes that I've got to fix, like that one right there and that one there. But just little tiny stuff. This is just a short one, kind of an update. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like the video, put the notification bell on so you know when I upload new videos. It really helps me out. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I might even have some merch on the way, but I'm still trying to get that all figured out. It's not quite there yet, but soon, and I'll let you know. All right, peace.